Almost a double touch there for Kazakhstan. Quick set, Risa Sato, the drop ball. That is good.
Alam mo, pwede rin talagang work on the drop balls like that because the taller players are slower when they're getting balls na medyo nasa harap lang nila. Tingnan mo to.
Another one there coming,
There you go.
that one from Risa Sato. But palasa na ng palasa itong coach ng Kazakhstan na si, mahirap din pagkitin yung pangalan. May puluhan pa natin ito mamaya. But it's the Philippines up by 2. That's the most important thing. Out-check ball against Soltones. So that is Razorenka. Yekaterina Razorenkova pala. Razorenkova.
Alam mo, sabi nga ni Coach Roger tsaka ni Coach Ty, dapat mag-adjust tayo sa blocking natin. Follow the ball.
Right.
At saka diniremind yung team natin of the rules na bawal na yung mag-touch sa net at ang stepping.
Wala pa tayong net violation sa laro ko.
Correct, di ba? Great adjustment from yesterday.
Eliza bombing away from the back. Yagodina, mahinang tira. Sisiw yan para kay Ginagno. Here is Soltones. Cross-court ball.
Napakaganda naman at napakalakas ng palo ni Soltones and a cheer for her. Talaga naman from our audience.
This team has fought much adversity to get here today, and now they are leading by 2 against the FIVB's number 19 team in the world. Gretchen Soltones bombs away sa kanyang jump serve. That libero is back. Soft shot is a miss. Kazakhstan is folding here, partner.
You know, si Rostovchikova Anastasia was a little bit far from the net when she hit that off-speed hit. Kaya hindi umabot talaga.
Gretchen, well, Gretchen again will try to bomb another one with her jump serve. Gretchen, into the net, though.
Bawi agad. Yun ang kailangan gawin ni Gretchen. Bawi agad.
Good news for Team Philippines, mas maraming errors ang Kazakhstan dito sa ating first set.
Tsaka parang may fear factor ng coach ng Kazakhstan, no? Balase din siya ng balase.
Nangilid sila bigla. The crowd is like, is right on top of them right here sa Phil Sports Arena.
Correct.
Eliza, soft drop ball.
Smart move by Eliza. Tiniming talaga niya, pababa ng blockers, doon na in-over yung bola. Look at this replay. She goes up, hand time. At yun, binagsak niya yung bola, pababa na yung blockers. Look at that.
And
Smart.
I think cheeky by now, Coach Roger has already figured out that si Markovskaya, yung libero nila, is not a world-class libero. So pwede nilang patrabahuin. There it is again. Kamote siya. Taas ng bolang yun. From the back, that is long. It will start from your floor defense if you're Kazakhstan. And if your only libero is Markovskaya, you are in trouble. And of course, this smart serve, or the serve is brought to you by Smart. Live more. At sabi rin niya ilayo kay Myla yung reception. Alam naman natin, Myla Pablo is still working on her reception, but she's getting there. She's improved a lot. That one goes long again. So, apektado na rin ang paglalaro dito ni Yagodina.
I think, alam mo, yung crowd has affected their game din diba? Yung cheer ng crowd for Philippines.
They are feeling very small despite being at least 6 feet tall.
Right.
Risa Sato on the serve. Set up now for Kazakhstan. Running attack. That is a good one. Coming there for Bortnikova. Pero ilang puntos lang kailangan ng Pilipinas. 3 na lamang to get set number 1.
We have to have a good first ball to set up a play immediately. Pagka-serve ni Bortnikova.
So Diana Bortnikova, the serve, stands about 5'11".
Good first ball.
Sending it down to Eliza. She's in front and that's off the block. Score for Team Philippines.
Good hit there. Talaga namang pina-off the block talaga niya. Napakalaki kasi ng blocker eh. The quickest way to earn a point is to off the block.
That was off Akilova, the captain, the center of Kazakhstan. There's a smart serve brought to us by Smart. Live more. Gia Morado. Very good one. You have to make that libero work. Yagodina. Nice dig there by Gretchen Soltones. To the other side for Eliza Valdez. Nice defense that time by Kazakhstan. That is dropped in front of Dindin, or make that judge Santiago. Here is Soltones. That is 4 touches, I believe, on Team Philippines. Oh, hindi. Umapak si Gretchen sa linya. Backline attack.
Alam mo, akala ko nga 4 touches na yan
touches.
Pero the violation was stepping on the line kasi nga backline.
That's a lucky break for Team Philippines. That was 4 touches. Here's the serve now coming from Akilova. Quick set now to Jaja. Set point Team Philippines.
Grabe, naiiyak ako. Oh
First set pa lang.
First set pa lang.
Lalabas ko yung tissue bago mag-second set.
Kasi naman, Noel, talaga namang puso nakikita mo dito sa Team Philippines.
Less errors, more aggression. Sean Eliza Valdez serving for the set. Jaja puts it away.
Yes!